Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Streamer TV, and in this channel we talk about how to make money online. The last video I dropped was how to make money daily, like if you want to be cashing out daily. That is what the video is all about. So if you're interested, you can check my other videos and watch that video. It's very, very important that you watch it and share it, because there are people out there that need such information. So thank you for coming in. If today is the first time for joining this channel, I really appreciate. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share it, because there are people that need this video, and subscribe to this channel. So let's go straight. This application now is called GoGo Live. It's an Asian app and it's for all countries. It's open for all countries, including Nigeria. So now this application talks about how to spend hours and days so you can get your bonus. You have a particular hours you spend and number of days you spend in a week that will make you qualified for a bonus. It's not target at all. It's not a target app. And if you don't reach the minimum withdrawal for that week, your points will still be there for you till next week. So you can actually take your time and reach your withdrawal points, your minimum points. So let's go right in. First of all, you go to your profile. Okay, before I continue, let me show you how to go live. You click on this video button, this round blue button at the middle of your screen. This is it to start live, or you do multi-live. This multi-live is panel, like it's an audio side of it. It's not video. You open it so everybody can come and join you, but you don't need it now. What you need is the living one, the one that people will be seeing you live. So that is what you need. Let's leave this place. So you're going to go back here, click back and click on your profile, the button by your right hand side. You click on your profile. This is my profile. It's a new account, so my other phone is busy, so I couldn't use it to make this video. This is my new account. Whatever you've earned, it will appear here. It will appear the number of $0 and the number of points you have. Now you are going to click on withdraw. This is where you will see all the way you are going to earn and the number of days you are going to spend. First of all, let's start with the withdrawal method. You click on withdraw. You choose any of these withdrawal method you prefer to use, but have it in mind that they are the same fee they will charge you. There is no one that is lesser or bigger than the other one. The same 0.5% they will charge you when you want to withdraw your money, and they will also arrive at the same time. So you can choose to use your normal Visa account, which is your local bank account. You can actually choose to use your Binance if you want to withdraw it in USDT. Then if you have PayPal, you can use your PayPal. And please, according to your country, you need to click here. If you are not in Nigeria, please click on this icon on top of your screen. Then you go through all the countries that you see that is your country. Don't choose another country when you are not in that country, to make you lose your money. Now let's go back and check for the number of days you have to spend and the number of hours you have to spend if you want to get your bonus, because there is a bonus attached to each amount of points that you earn. Now this is it, the list of hours and days and the number of bonus you get. The minimum withdrawal point, you must reach 5,000 points before you'll be able to withdraw. If you don't reach 5,000 points, have it in mind that you are not going to withdraw anything. So once your point is 5,000, the value of dollar in what is $4. Then your bonus is going to be $2, which is in total you are going to get $6. You can actually withdraw your money today, like if you start today and you reach 5,000 points, you can withdraw your money. There is no restriction. There is not a particular day that is the most that you withdraw. Any day you can place your withdrawal and you receive your money. Then if you reach 6,000 points, the same $4, but the bonus for 6,000 points is $3. So in total, you are getting $7. Then 7,500 points, equivalent to $6 plus $6 bonus. Total you will get is $12. Then we have, if you reach 10,000 points, your amount of money you are going to get is $8, and they will give you extra $8. It will be $16. Then the next amount is, if you reach 12,500, the amount you want is $10. Then you get a bonus of $11. How much in total? $21. So that's how it goes to the other ones. 15,000, $12. Total is $25. 20,000 points, $16. The total is $18. Then your bonus is $34, which is total summary of the amount you are going to withdraw. Then if you get 25,000 points, the amount you want is $20. Then they will give you extra $24. So total $44. So guys, don't do yourself. This application is very good and there's traffic, there's gifters. If you are online, let me just tell you the tip. If you are online, make sure you spend like 3 to 4 hours a day. Make sure you spend like 3 to 4 hours a day. Don't stay like 1 minute, 2 minutes, or maybe 30 minutes and you leave for the day and you say you are done and you are not getting anything. It won't work, and it doesn't even work that way. You cannot spend only 1 hour self. It's not enough. You have to spend hours. Even if you reach that your 10, 20, 15 hours, 10 hours for that whole week, you spend it in a day. It doesn't matter. Make sure that you spend time, because the more you spend time, the more people will be gifting you. You'll be getting bonus. That is how it is. The more time you spend, the more profits you are going to make. The good result you are going to make. So at the bottom of this page, they say the host can apply every day. So as I said earlier, you have to withdraw every day. If you reach your 5,000 points or 10,000 points, withdraw it. Don't wait for a particular day to reach. And it's self-withdrawal. You withdraw it by yourself. Nobody will help you. Do not allow anybody to come to your DM and tell you that, let me help you withdraw, I'm an agent. Don't mind the person. You can actually do it by yourself. So guys, this is all I have for you. And I'm also going to make more videos on how you are going to be messaging people. Like you're going to messaging guys on how you can make them call you and send you gifts. That is for another video. For now, for today on, I don't want to make this video to be long, so I'm cutting it short from here. Take your time, register. If you have any question, you don't understand, just drop it in the comment section. I will reply to you. And I'm supposed to add my WhatsApp group link in the description, but the last time I did it, it was not allowed by YouTube. I don't know why they refused it. I think I've done it before. There was no issue, but recently I was adding it still and it was an issue. They removed it. They said I cannot put an external link. So the only thing we can communicate, the only way we can communicate is just for you to send your comments. Drop whatever issue you have in the comment section and I will reply you. I'm always online. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like it, share it, and subscribe. And check my other videos as well on how you are going to earn every day, like $150 every day from clients. It's very important and you will love it. Bye.